Let's talk a little bit more about flags. So the flag, capital F. By the way, I should mention at this time that it's Linux and Unix convention that everything is case sensitive in the command. So ls, lowercase ls, is not the same as ls. So if we do capital LS, it won't be found. And likewise, ls of secret stuff that's capitalized, it won't be found. So keep that in mind, that Linux and Unix are very case sensitive. So watch your typing. Anyways, to get back to the subject, if we feed ls the flag dash capital F, ls will then indicate the file type using special symbols. For instance, the @ here indicates that admin pick is actually a symbolic link. It's a shortcut to another file. The asterisk indicates that CPU runner.py is an executable file. And the slash here indicates that secret stuff is a directory. So let's say we wanted to indicate the file types of all the files within the directory. So we can do ls-a-capital F. And now we have all the files listed here. So we can see that .I'm hidden is here. We also have the dot and the .dot files. And all the files have the file types are indicated with the special symbols. However, the lazy man's way to do this is to actually combine these short flags together with one dash preceding and no spaces between. So ls-a capital F is the same thing as ls-a capital F. So we can see the output here. This is common convention for most commands, however not all of them follow this, so it's important to keep that in mind too. Just check the documentation for the individual commands. Now the shortcut doesn't work for verbose commands. For instance, there's a verbose command recursive. It can also be represented as -r, but here we'll use a verbose command. And this recursively looks at any subdirectories that are below the current one, in addition to the files in the current one. So ls-recursive, we get the listing of files in demo, and then the listing of files in our directory secret stuff here. So if we were to try and do ls-all recursive, the command flakes out on us. So for combining verbose commands, you need to separate them. For instance, ls-all recursive. And now we get the behavior that we expected. Also, you can combine verbose and short commands, but the verbose ones must be specified as separate. And we can even specify arguments here. So here we're combining all of our techniques here. So we've got the command, short flags, a verbose flag, and an argument. So this should list the directory contents, all the directory contents of secret stuff, indicate their type, and recursively descend. Now, were there any directories in secret stuff, we would have seen them here, but secret stuff has no other directories, so recursive is somewhat redundant here.